Arizona with the Bergamini Group, and we are here at 4455 Cambridge in Granville, Prescott Valley, Arizona, and I'm going to take you through this home. It's a beautiful house. If you ever wanted to buy the model and it wasn't available, this is about as close as you're going to get. It's got just about everything you'd wanted. Landscaping's all done. House is not very old. It's only been lived in for about 2 years, and so everything's ready to move in. And I'm going to show you a couple things about this property as we move up to the front door. One of the things you're going to notice is all these pavers. The pavers stretch all the way back to the backyard on this side, and there's a pathway on the other side all the way to the backyard as well. So each side yard has pavers all the way throughout the back, and then you'll see how it ties into the back patio as well. And raised bed, all drip system, mature landscaping. We're third week in June, and everything's all blooming. Everything's beautiful, and it's fairly warm today, but everything's nice and kept. Come on in. We've got security door. Prestige Doors did these. A friend of mine owns that company. Great security doors. House is completely tile except the bedrooms and the hard surface tile. See how it's laid, kind of a subway style. Take a peek at the blinds. These are blackout blinds where let me show you real quick. They are full blackouts as you move them. Very high-end blind system. We'll kind of walk through to the kitchen. Pool table is where you normally have dining. There's also open. The whole house is open. Floor plan, great room. Modern fixtures all the way throughout. You see that they have a dark stained glass backsplash, stainless steel appliances. There's a stainless dishwasher here, sunken in. The stainless sink. Tons and tons of cabinets. Large pantry. Little upgrades, like if you look up top, you'll see windows, skylights. So you get the east. That's east over on that side. So every morning you get to east, facing sunlight throughout this room. Might as well walk out back real quick, show you the backyard. What's special about this house is that it's all open space on the back end of it, so you don't have any rear neighbors that you can see right away. You'll notice that the Mingus Mountain's over on the horizon there. All low maintenance, everything's on a drip. They even have a drip system. They have a drip system back here, so if you wanted to put potted plants, you can see one potted plant there. But each one of these has a drip system if you wanted to put pots back here. But all these are on a drip as well. You've got no maintenance grass here. And this is where that walkway goes all the way around the house. Little touches here. So the way they've designed this you want to block out the eastern sun. This is a full-on blockout line here. The whole thing will come down. You've got stubbed in for gas barbecue. Also, it's already set up for a jacuzzi hot tub if somebody wanted to put one in here. It's all set up with all the electrical right there. And also, there's plumbing on the other end that you'd feel it from that side. So, come on in. Pet doggy door. All set up already. And if you notice little extras like this where you've got electrical in the flooring, and then all this is set up for your entertainment system. It's already pre-wired for that. Large laundry, and I'm gonna peek inside here real quick for you guys. This is extra deep and extra wide. So if you're buying a Granville house, this would be a huge, huge, huge upgrade. Already set up with salt water or soft water and cabinetry already built in. You can tell by the alleyway it's a big space. I don't know the full dimensions of it, but I can tell you I can get my truck in here and not have any issues at all. And again, somebody set this up for GFCI plugs all the way around, so if somebody wanted to put a bench, there's some on the other wall, there's 3 on the other wall. It's really set up nice for somebody who likes to do some things inside their garage. And again, these houses are all set up with a smart system. Leviton's smart system, so all your Wi-Fi and cable all goes through that direction. And then going into the master real quick, all the window coverings are all in here. Again, high-end window coverings. These things have blinds as well as curtains. And then in the master bath, they went ahead and put in a barn-style door. Really nice. You come in here, you'll see the his and hers. This one has a makeup countertop, and then already has the fixed mirrors with the barn-style frames. And then you've got quartz counters and quartz in the shower that matches. Again, it's a separate throne and pantry. So come on through. This is a 4-bedroom house, just under 2,400 square feet, all one level. Good sized closets, storage closets. Kind of hard to picture all that stuff. Good sized storage closets. And again, tile throughout. You'll notice the transitions are smooth, seamless. The
linen closet?
Linen closet. Thanks, Matt. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Been selling real estate for a while. That's a linen closet. Anyway, linen closet in here. There's also, on this side, you've got your tub and shower over here, and another linen closet on the other side. So ample sized bathrooms. Guest bedroom number 1 with closet. And all these have fans. They're all on a separate switch, so no looking for a remote. So this is a 3-switch fan, which is really nice. And there's a half hot right there if somebody wanted to put in a standing lamp. That's what this switch is for. Oh, I turned off the light on you. Sorry about that. Again, guest bed number 2. Neutral colors. Somebody just has to turn the keys and walk in and move in. And then guest bed number 3. So this is a 4-bedroom. This is the biggest of the guest bedrooms, so you could make it into their hobby room or man cave, whatever they wanted here. It's almost big enough for a pool table, but not quite. So if somebody wanted to have an office or den here as well. So this is all closet number, like 4 or 5, 3. So yeah, we've got plenty of storage space in this house. There's a lot to kind of take a peek at. It's one of those houses that you really don't have to do anything. You just have to move in. It's turnkey. The kitchen's all set up. The paint's all in. Everything's ready to roll. So if you have any questions or need anything at all, please let us know. Brad at Welcome to Prescott or welcometoprescott.com, or you can call 928-237-4400. We're happy to answer any questions, or just direct message us from one of our sites. Have a wonderful day.